Alright, let's look at what we have here. Here we are asked to calculate the missing angles in the triangle below. That is question A. The question B says, name their corresponding sides to show that the triangles are similar. Alright, so the missing angle we are asked to calculate is this angle and this angle. That is our angle B and our angle Y. Alright, after we have gotten the two missing angles, we will now use them to name two of them according to their corresponding size to show that the two shapes are similar. Alright, and for us to be able to find the value of our angle B, we all know that the sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. That means for us to find this, we have to add these two angles, then subtract them from the total sum of angles here, which is what? 180. Alright, so let's go and solve it. Solving for our angle B. Now, this sign on top of this B is an angle sign. Okay, it is called angle B. Alright, so find our angle B. We're going to have 180 minus 84 plus 43. Our angle B is equals to 180 minus, adding these two together, we are going to have 127. So subtracting them, we are having 53 degrees. Alright, we have gotten the value of our angle B. Now let's find the value of our angle Y. For angle Y, we have 180 minus 53 plus 43. Angle Y equals to 180 minus 96. Angle Y equals to, subtracting them, 180 minus 96. Subtracting them, we are going to have 84 degrees. Now we have gotten the value of our B and the value of our Y, angle Y. Now, let's name their corresponding sides to show that these two are similar. Okay? First of all, let's put this. Our B is 53. While our Y is 84. Alright? Now, pay attention to this now. In naming them, if you watch, we have equal angles here. We have 43 here, we have 43 here. We have 53 here, we have 53 here. We have 84 here, we have 84 here. That means, from this now, that means our angle A is equals to our angle Z. Because we have 43, 43. Likewise, our angle B is equals to our angle X. And finally, our angle C is equals to our angle Y. Alright? So, in naming them, okay, if you watch, we have our A here now is our Z here. While our B here is our X. Alright? Our A is our Z. Our B is our X, because their angles are equal. They have equal angles. Okay? So in naming them, we are going to have side AB corresponds with side, our A is Z, while our B is X. Alright? Line side AB corresponds with side ZX. Then side AC corresponds with our A is still our Z. Then our C, angle C is 84, while our angle Y is 84. That means our C is our Y. Alright? Side AC corresponds with side ZY. Then lastly, we're going to have BC. Side BC corresponds with our B is what? 53. That is X. While our C is what? 84. That is Y. Alright? Now what we have here is side AB. AB is corresponding with side ZX, while side AC is corresponding with side ZY, and side BC is corresponding with side XY. Since the angles are equal, both angles here and here are equal, it shows that these two are similar. Alright? So we have named them to show that this one and this one are similar. So this is just how to solve it. In case you have any question, you are confused at any point, don't hesitate to comment your question below. Okay? And don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends so that they will also benefit. Alright? Okay, see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching.